This is a Canvas tutorial for parents. As we go to distance learning, your child will be working on Canvas at home every day, and you may want to check into Canvas and see, what is my child working on? What assignments do they have due? Have they forgotten to turn anything in? If you don't know how to do that, or you don't want your child to have to do it for you, then you can go to your internet browser and click in NC Ed Cloud. This first link that comes up is the correct one. It takes you to the Rapid Identity homepage. Your child will know what this is because they use this every single day in just about every single class. Your child will need to give you their username and password. This either is memorized by them, taped to their Chromebook, in an assignment notebook if they have one of those. Ask them for it. I highly recommend that you write it down and keep it in a safe place so that you can access this anytime you want and you don't have to have your child there to do it for you. Their username is a long string of numbers. When you have that typed in, click go. Their password always starts with capital MCS. It has a lowercase first and last initial and then random 4 numbers. When you have that typed in, click go, and it will take you to the Rapid Identity dashboard. Canvas is where you want to go to see your kids' assignments. So click on that. It opens up their dashboard, which has all of their classes. Notice science, math, ELA, social studies, flex, CTE, health, and physical fitness. You can click on any class and see what they're doing. Now, every teacher might have it set up slightly different. Like this teacher has an announcement on the home page that there's a test on Monday, and then the activities and assignments are right there. If the activities and assignments are not right there, what you want to click on is modules. Modules is where most teachers keep their activities and their assignments. Notice this is just the same as the home page for this teacher. If you want to know what something is besides just the title, you can click on it and it will open up the assignment and there will be directions there. If it's something that they're submitting on Canvas, which will be the case for distance learning, you will see the Submit Assignment button. Or if they have already submitted the assignment, you will see Resubmit Assignment. You can always go back to the home page. You'll also notice here on the right is a to-do list. This is where any upcoming assignments are, any overdue assignments, if your child has not submitted something, anything that is in the very near future. So you will want to check this out so you can see if your child is staying up to date. When you want to check a new class, come back over here to the left and click on Dashboard. You can click into another classroom and see how their classroom is set up. Notice her home page is not her modules, so I highly recommend clicking on modules, and then there are her assignments and activities that her class is working on. And again, you can go back to Dashboard and click on another class. Again, you would want to click on modules. And then there are her assignments. I highly recommend that you also check PowerSchool on a regular basis to see what your child's grades are. Some of the Canvas pages do have grades linked to them, like this teacher has grades. I do not recommend checking these grades as these are not as accurate or up to date as the grades in PowerSchool. So if you really want to know what your child is getting in the class as far as a grade, go to PowerSchool and check that. If you get confused by anything, if your child needs help, please contact your child's teacher, email them. That's the best way to get a hold of them. They will respond in a timely manner and we will get your questions answered. I hope that this was helpful and that you now have an idea of how to keep up with your child as they work from home.